There's nothing too interesting going on MNQ from the 15-minute time frame. I just have a resistance zone marked up and a support zone marked up. And what I'm currently just waiting on, since price is ranging, there's obviously no clear direction. I'm either waiting for buys above this zone here or sells below. And once we get a close above or below one of these two zones, I'll drop into the 1 minute and then look for my break and retest setups in that new direction, depending on what recent price wants to do. Although it would be nice if price were to break up here, because we do have all this pretty clean traffic, so there really shouldn't be too much issues heading to the upside to this next resistance zone up here. But we shall see what happens. Price could just range in here the entire morning, and if that happens, then, well, no trades for me. Holy shit, this price action is just boring. It doesn't want to go anywhere. It's like 15-minute we're ranging, 5-minute ranging inside of a range. There's just absolutely no clear direction, which is fine. I just hope this isn't going to range the entire morning. But I mean, we had this really good push. Now we're ranging. I don't know how long it's going to just do this for, but there might not be any trades for me today, which is fine. But damn, man, this is choppy as hell. Cool. So we finally broke out of this range on the 15-minute, and if we go down to the 1 minute, or already have this break and retest level marked up. So we're just gonna wait for price to come back and get in. So I will come back whenever I get into a setup.
A few years later.
Alright, so we have finally reached into this support zone. That's weird. Why can't I MNQ add? Why is it not letting me? Okay, there we go. I was gonna. Alright, so we are about to enter this trade. USD, not 8%. I only want to risk 1%. Stop loss 27.75. And that looks good. We have a bearish or a bullish candle right there. So I'll enter the trade. I got a good entry target right there. And we are in this trade. Yes, this is a demo account. Let me just lower this to a 1-to-1. That's good enough right there, honestly. It doesn't need to be perfect, but cool. Yeah, and we're just gonna let this trade play out and see what happens. The reason I entered was this bullish candle here. I do see this bearish candle. That's pretty big. I'm pretty confident in this setup. I'm not gonna do any trade management. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. That's all. We should have some nice momentum to the upside, so really shouldn't have any issues hitting my target. that was a little bit of a roller coaster right there, wasn't it, guys? Alright, well, I really did not like this candle. After I saw this candle close, I really thought this was just going to keep shooting down and stop me out. But we ended up coming back up and hitting our TP. This was a really good trade. I was happy with this. You know, from the 15-minute ranging, we broke out, went down to the 1 minute. We had a resistance, broke above that resistance, came down, gave us our entry confirmation, which is just like a balanced bullish price action. Take the entry, stop loss below the zone, target on the 1-to-1, and you just let the trade play out. If I also use my Fibonacci, this zone right here, the 1 minute zone, was also in 0.5 and the 618 Fibonacci retracement zones. So that lined up really well. Altogether, this was a great trade. Happy I took this trade. And yeah, I just have to journal this into my Notion template. And that's that. I will be continuing posting my trades on this channel, so if you guys are interested in watching me journal my trades and journey and this futures market, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys inside the next video.